Sri Mallikarjun Temple. Sri Mallikarjun Temple exists in Sristhal village in Kanakana Taluka of South Goa. It is believed that a Lord Shiva united with a goddess Parvati after a long period of separated. When this temple is situated, devotees visit this temple to worship Shiva. This temple dates back to a 60th century. The temple, with its beautiful wooden and silver carving, is reputed to have been erected by Habu Brahmin, the Dravidian dynasty. One can see scenes of the finest surviving art on the six pillars in the Mantapa or the assembly hall. One of the wooden pillars in the Mantapa used as the oracle pillar in the temple. Their pillars have intricate carving with scenes from the Puran and Mahabharata as either side. The striking similarity in their shine is that all idols are in a phallic shape and covered with a metallic mask accompanied by a trishula. There is phallic shaped wooden idol are known as Nirakar by a local population. According to the Indian mythology, Malika other name of goddess Parvati and Arjun other name of Lord Shiva. Through the Shiva Lingam is considered to be one of the Swayambhu Lingam. The temple structure around it the date to be a 200-year old. It hosts two unique and alternative events at the time of the traditional Shimga Utsav, tropically in the month of March around the festival of Holi. The ritual of Viramel takes place everywhere year when the town administration cut off the power supply between 11 pm to 1 am. During this selected local youth referred to a rush from house to house, followed by the people with a drum and other procession, and tourism are advised not to be a virgin out during this time. Festivals. Shisharani. This ritual alternates every year with the Viramel celebration that is held at the time of the customary Shimgo festival. The word Shisharani is said mean a cooking place on top of the human head. During this ritual, rice is cooked in earth or in the top of the three men. There three sleep on the ground with their head touch each other. The fire is light on the middle of the head to cook the rice. The head are covered with cloth and layer of planting. The yearly festival Jatra held at the temple in one of the kind among the temple festival of the Goa. On the day of the festival in the early hour, the idol of the deity is taken out in the process of the almost 2-3 hours and reach the Rajbagh. Was discovered by the member of the Kunbi community while cleaning of the forest. The devotee is most of the worship Avatar Purush. Avatar Purush, Asari, Khulwade, and Bhatpadi are essentially smaller deities found at the three country place where they venerate once a year. They are take on great procession at night to the main temple at Sristhar. Apart from their first festival, the temple also celebrated Viramel. This festival is celebrated once in 2 years that coincide with the traditional Shimgo festival. This celebration takes place close to midnight. Selected local youth who are called rush from door to door with the sword in their hands, trailed by people with drum and music instruments.